Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will to be make a tutorial how to be make a robot liner in my code. Now I'm on the my code. This is for program for microbit, and now let's go to be make a robot line follower. Okay. Okay, let's go to make it. First, you open the project, and then robot liner. Make a nice name. Okay, create. Okay. So the first today, I want to be take GitHub. You can search in Google GitHub inhibit. GitHub inhibit. Okay, this is it. Okay. Take the link. Okay, after that, go to extension and then take it. So this is click. Okay, let's go. Nice. For the first today, I will to be take first is it logic. Take this. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, and then delete this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, now take get from logic and then take an M. Take it. I. And then you can duplicate. Yes. Take it from tiny bit and take this. Let's sense object. You can duplicate. You can duplicate. Ouch! Oh no! Okay. Nice. Nice. The first, this is white, this is changed to black, this is black. And then with black, white, black, white, black. For this, white, black, white, black. White, black, white, black. Okay. Go to tiny bit again, and then take it control speed. First, you must duplicate first. This is run. Don't be so fast because if so fast, it cannot be reading the line. Okay. Then this is for spin left and give me this. Okay, this is spin right. Spin right too. This. And now this is for the program, and the program has been finished. You can to be make like this too. Okay, this is the program. Like this. Maybe if you want it to be to Python, the Python like this, and the JavaScript like this. For this, or Python. And this is programs. Okay, everyone. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for the watching video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.